Want to start trading like a pro and adopt me? Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get better trades and avoid bad offers. Step 1. Use a trading stand. Buy a trading stand for 95 Robux or trade for one. Place it in the center of town to show what you're offering. This lets players walk up and send trade requests instantly. Step 2. Set up your profile. Use the profile feature to list what you're trading and what you're looking for. This helps others send you relevant offers and lets you browse their profiles too. Use the orange arrow in the profile menu to expand your display. Step 3. Be specific in chat. Use chat to announce what you're trading and what you want. For example, trading Magma Moose for Gecko. Being clear speeds up finding good matches. Step 4. Learn pet values. Use trading value websites like adoptmetrading.gg, Elva Bread, Bolt Values. These help you understand what's fair and avoid bad trades. Extra tips. Have the pet you're trading equipped so others see it. Trade in crowded areas like the town center. Be patient, wait for fair or better than fair offers. Put your offer or request in your display name or pet's name. By combining these tips, you'll get better trades and build a stronger inventory over time.